All right, I thought it would be fun to do one of those reveal videos that everybody likes to do. I think it's customary to use a knife. I've got this camera mount on my Shoei from Extreme Wannabes. Just a really clean mount for a GoPro. And so I've got another helmet here. I've got this Bell MX9 Adventure, so I ordered another mount. The Wannabes Enduro Helmet Chin Mount for action cameras. The first one worked out so well, I wanted to get another one. They just are have like a super clean fit. Look at that. I mean, it's perfect. Perfect. And it keeps the camera out of your field of vision for the most part. And let's try this. I'm assuming you can see it. It's not like I can do 2 takes here, so let me do this. I'll line it up properly. It's nice and clean. That's it. So hopefully you can see that. Look at that. I've got another GoPro here. Oh, I don't have the mount for it though. Here we go. So this is from, or for like a GoPro, I think a 6, 7, maybe an 8. I'm filming this with a 9. So you can see, nice and snug. It actually came with another, I don't even know what you call it, but the screw to hold the GoPro on. You can see how nice that works.